Hello, second graders. Welcome to our health lesson this week. We've talked about our mental health, we've talked about our heart, we've talked about our lungs, we've talked about our digestive system and how we break down foods. And something that helps break down foods are what we're talking about today. That is called protein. Now, protein, you've heard a lot about it probably in your life, and you might have known a little bit more about it. But let's just go with the very, very basics here. What is protein? So let's start with this. Protein is a long chain-line molecule that is made up of small units known as amino acids. So protein is amino acids joined together to make peptide bonds. Don't worry about the peptide bonds part. That is a middle school and high school activity. What you need to know is protein is made of amino acids. Now, down here, like carbohydrates and fats. Woo, right there. Proteins are considered a major nutrient for the body due to the calories they provide. Protein provides caloric intake, calorie intake, the good type of calories. Now, protein is essential for life. It is crucial to all cells in the body, playing a key role as enzymes in the cell. After water, protein is the most plentiful substance in the body. So, if you look at it like this, what does the body need? The body needs protein, the body needs water. But what is the most important? Number one is water. Drink your water. Water, 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 water. Whenever you're doing anything, water bottles at school, water at home. Your body needs water. After water, the second most important thing is protein. Protein provides that caloric intake and helps that body grow and replenish all the muscles. Now, protein can grow, maintain, and replace tissues in our bodies. Therefore, our muscles, organs, and immune systems are mostly made of protein. That's right. So our muscles are made of protein. Let's think about this. If I want to get big muscles, I should start eating more protein. If I start working out and try to get strong, like Mr. Briggs is making you guys doing all those push-ups and sit-ups, after I'm done, if I take some protein or eat some good protein, that's going to help my muscles grow just a little bit more. I'm going to be super strong. So protein helps our muscles grow. Now, let's continue. Once protein is digested, so broken down into the amino acids, these amino acids can be reused to make the proteins your body needs to maintain muscles, bones, blood, and organs. There are 20 different types of amino acids. Our body can produce 13 of them. That's good. But there are 9 that cannot. These are called the essential amino acids, and we obtain these by eating certain types of protein-rich foods. So, how many amino acids are there? 20. How many does our body make? 13 of these, but there are 9 that our body cannot make. So our body needs to do better. Those numbers seem off though, but let's know this. Forget about the numbers. Think of this. There are amino acids our body makes that are awesome. There are amino acids our body does not make. And how do we produce that and fix that? That is with protein-rich foods. Complete protein that has all amino acids, including essential ones, are meat, poultry, which is chicken, fish, dairy, eggs, and soy. Incomplete protein are nuts, grains, fruits, and vegetables. Therefore, if you're a vegetarian, you need to make sure you get some sort of protein in your body through tofu or any other types of ways. Now, complete proteins, like we said, are there. Taking too much protein, though, can be dangerous to the body. It can hurt your liver and kidneys. So when we're talking about protein, it's good to have protein in you, but it's not good to take tons and tons and tons and tons of protein, because then you're not going to be breaking it down fast enough. It just sits in your stomach and you just get a bigger stomach and it goes big, 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 big. Now, these proteins, the protein contained in eggs is considered the highest quality protein of all foods. For example, over easy eggs, scrambled eggs, or Mr. Briggs' personal favorite, hard-boiled eggs. They have the most just packed in amount of protein. There's about 6 to 7 grams of protein in an egg. That is fantastic for you. So if you have a chance to eat some eggs in the morning or a hard-boiled egg in the afternoon because you're feeling a little sluggish and a little slow, protein always will help boost that morale in your body and get you a little more woken up. Sometimes when you're tired and it's like, I don't know, I'm just exhausted. Some protein is going to help because your body is just tired. Wake the body up, a little protein, some eggs is perfect. Now, proteins in some food can cause allergies and cause a reaction to the immune system. For example, Mr. Briggs is allergic to dairy, so he cannot have any protein that has dairy in them. So that's like cheese or milk. There's a protein in milk, but Mr. Briggs can't have that. So there's tons of different types of protein. Make sure you're doing the good stuff. Right below this video, we have a video about health. It's about our protein that we're talking about right now. It's kind of a more visual example of how the body breaks down the protein and how it helps with the body. Click on it. It's right there. Then there's a couple questions. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. And now we will be done sharing. Bye, guys. In a minute. Gotta get this to stop working. Maybe. There we go. All right, now we're going.